Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a millimeters unit dimension style for a millimeters environment. Okay, let's see. First go drawing units, you and enter. Line type decimal, precision, okay. Insertion scale set millimeters, okay. Now go dimension style, D, enter. Go new style. Start with standard, new style name mm1, continue, go lines, dimension lines, color by layer, line type by layer, line width by layer, baseline spacing 150, okay, enter. Now go extensions line, color by layer, line type x1 by layer, x2 by layer, line width by layer, okay. Extend beyond dim line 45, offset from origin 45, okay. Now go symbols and arrows, arrowhead, select, right angle, arrow size 60, center mark 40, okay. Now go text style, click here, new style, click new style name mm2, okay, select mm2, font name Arial, okay, font style regular, text height 80 millimeter, okay, width factor 0.85, okay, apply, close, text style, click here, select mm2, okay, text color by layer, okay, text height, okay, text placement vertical, above, horizontal, centered, view direction left to right, offset from dim line 30, text alignment, tick, align with dimension line, okay. Now go fit, either text or arrow tick, beside the dimension line tick, okay. Fine tune dim line between X line tick, okay. Now go primary units, unit format decimal, precision 0, okay, okay. Select, click OK, select mm1, set current, close, okay. Let's see, go linear, repeat linear, okay. Again go dimension style manager, D, enter, select mm1, go modify, symbol and arrows, arrowhead change to oblique, arrow size, okay. Now go lines, extend beyond ticks 40, okay, click OK, close, okay, okay. Now go annotate, select baseline, select dimension, click here, click, okay, no issue, it's okay, okay. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.